Welcome to Plant Munich in Germany. This is where BMW will be making the new all-electric i3 that was just announced. And it's an important factory for North Americans because what happens here will be reflected in Spartanburg, North America. Now remember, BMW is the largest exporter of luxury vehicles by volume in the United States. And what happens on their Neue Klasse line here, you will also see happen when they build the iX3 in North America.
This factory tells you exactly where BMW is headed and what American buyers can expect next. BMW Group has been building cars here since 1922, and today this plant stretches across more than 5.4 million square feet right in the center of Munich. It's not tucked away on the outskirts like most factories. It's embedded in the city, surrounded by BMW headquarters, BMW Welt and residential neighborhoods. That creates unique challenges. There is no room to expand outwards, so everywhere has to become smarter, tighter, and more efficient. BMW is investing more than $700 million to completely reinvent this plant. The goal is simple but ambitious: turn Munich into a fully electric production facility by 2027. That means redesigning not just the vehicles, but the entire production system from the ground up. At the center of this transformation is the Neue Klasse platform. This is BMW's next generation architecture for electric vehicles, designed to improve efficiency, range, and production speed all at once. And it's already delivering results. The new BMW iX3 has taken top honors at the World Car Awards, winning both Car of the Year and World Electric Vehicle. That's not just a win for a single car, it validates the entire system behind it. BMW has confirmed the iX3 will come to the United States, but production begins in Europe. What happens next is the key question. As demand grows, BMW has the flexibility to expand production globally, and that opens the doors to future manufacturing in North America. This factory is not just building cars, it's building the blueprint for how BMW builds cars everywhere.
Now here's the crazy thing about this factory. They have so much automation here and so many robots, so much AI, that their limited amount of space only allows them to keep about 4 hours of parts. So if they run out of parts, the line stops. And that logistically means they watch every single thing that goes on in the factory. And when they start to run low on parts, a vehicle will leave their warehouse in the city of Munich, come to the factory so they can keep the supply chains running.
What makes this factory so important is not just the technology, but how it is applied in the real-world environment with real constraints. Inside the new body shop, around 800 industrial robots operate with about 98% automation. They handle welding, joining, and structural assembly with precision and consistency. But the real story is how humans and machines now work together. Robots take the most physically demanding and repetitive tasks, while workforce focuses on oversight, quality control, and higher skill roles. AI plays a critical role throughout the process. Inspection systems monitoring every stage of production in real time, helping identify and address issues before vehicles move further down the line. Each vehicle generates up to 20,000 data points during production, feeding back into the system and allowing continuous improvement in every car build. Logistics may be the most impressive part of all. Because space is so limited, BMW operates with extremely tight inventory and a constant flow of incoming parts. Around 70% of components are delivered directly to workstations, exactly when needed. No storage, no excess inventory, just precision timing. This system reduces costs, speeds up production, and improves consistency, with BMW targeting about 10% reduction in production costs. And while this system is being proven here in Munich, its impact goes far beyond Germany. At BMW Spartanburg Plant in South Carolina, the company's largest factory in the world, these kinds of production strategies could be applied at scale. Spartanburg already builds more than 400,000 vehicles a year and exports them to over 120 countries, making it central to BMW's American strategy. Munich develops and proves the system. Spartanburg has the potential to take those lessons and apply them for the American market.
So this is the final product, and they will start rolling off the assembly lines later this year. BMW have already said they will have 40 new models in the next several years. In Munich, I'm Nick Miles, and I love my job.